All right, you guys, I'm still at Lightning Buffalo Link. We just hit another home spin. That's what, 200, 225, 325, or 900, 1150 already. I think we're almost at a hand pay, you guys. I think we're at a hand pay. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, come on. Let's go. Let's get a big number, though. Let's get another big number. Oh, yes. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, nice. All right. Come on. Maybe a mini. Oh, I'm not going to complain. Yep. I think we're at a hand pay. Let's count it down. Okay. Nice. Yep, definitely at a hand pay. $1,800, you guys. Awesome. Alrighty, I'm gonna wait for my hand pay and I will see you guys on the next one.